here's our American goulash, aka beefaroni, plated up with our biscuits on top. The biscuit came out nice and good. Yep. Oh, this is really tasty. Okay, it's cool weather now. We're gonna make comfort food. So this is gonna be the American goulash, aka beefaroni. I don't know if you remember the jingle back in the time of Chef Boyardee beefaroni. This is what we're gonna be making. It's gonna be a little different take on the Chef Boyardee naturally. It's all gonna be natural food and nothing artificial. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna start off by putting in about 1 pound of ground beef into the Ninja Foodi here. We're gonna add 1/2 tablespoon of olive oil. We're gonna brown up the hamburger first. Okay, as the hamburger starts to come up to temperature, we're gonna add in the onions and the green pepper. So we're gonna wanna start cooking these things down as the hamburger is browning up. So this could be a 1 pot cooking. Now, if you got a family, you know, you could double this recipe easy. It's just the 2 of us, so that's why I'm using this recipe I'm giving you. So just double it, triple it, quadruple it, it doesn't matter. The ratio is all the same. Ninja Foodi things cook pretty quick on it, especially when you got it on high. Once the ground beef starts to turn brown halfway through, then we're throwing the garlic. If you're throwing the garlic too early, it may brown up on you, and you don't want that to happen. So beef is over half done, so we're throwing on garlic now. It's only taking a couple of minutes here. Okay, while that's cooking, then we're gonna add in our liquid. So it's gonna be cool under this, so. Half a can of tomatoes. Okay, some of this tomatoes. Okay, once the ground beef is cooked, drain it as much as possible, but you don't have to get every last bit of it out. It's gonna help flavor this thing anyway. So I combined the tomato sauce, diced tomatoes, and then the beef broth. We're just gonna pour it in here without splashing too much. And this liquid is the one that's going to cook the macaroni. And then we finish it off with the soy sauce, salt and pepper, Italian seasoning. I've got a bay leaf in there too. And then we add our macaroni. So 8 to 9 ounces, all mixed up together like this. Okay, we'll let this cook for about 10 minutes and we'll get back to you. The meat's starting to absorb into the tomato sauce. And then I'm gonna just add in some sharp cheddar cheese at this point in time, so cheddar cheese will start to melt a bit. They say about 4 ounces. We got it on simmer. Then we're gonna just take our biscuits and just lay it on top. 4 biscuits. You can use more, but you know, there's only 2 of us, so we're just gonna do 4. Drop this down and it's gonna take another 10 minutes. Okay, it's been about 18 minutes, and then what I did was that I turned on the air fryer, and we're just gonna go about 3 or 4 minutes on the air fryer, bake up the biscuits on top. Okay. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so we're gonna scoop out one. See if we get it. Oh, so, okay. Okay, here's our American goulash, aka beefaroni, plated up with our biscuits on top. Now the biscuits are optional, and you could also cook this in a big heavy skillet if you want to, but we had a foodie, we wanted to do 1 pot cooking, so that's what we did, and let's give this a taste. Well, it tastes a lot better than Chef Boyardee, let's put it that way. The biscuit came out nice and good. Yep. Oh, this is really tasty. This is American comfort food. So this is the way Grandma used to make it. It's gonna be warm in your belly, fill you up. So I hope you found this video informative. Please click the like button, When you have a chance, please subscribe, and thank you for watching. Boy, that's pretty good.